Take a deep breath. We're going to walk for peace. See the monks walk down the road, step by step, nice and slow. Quiet feet and smiling eyes, peace is how their love goes by. Walk, walk, walk for peace, soft little steps, nice and sweet. Walk, walk, hand in hand, peace can start with you and me. They don't shout, they don't fight, they use kind words day and night. Every step is calm and true, teaching love in all they do. Walk, walk, walk for peace, soft little steps, nice and sweet. Walk, walk, hand in hand, peace can start with you and me. What do monks choose? Without love, step by step, soft and slow. Hands go up, hands go down, peaceful smiles all around. Tiny feet walk soft and true, peace is something we can do. Like monks do too, help a friend, share, say thank you. Little hearts and little feet make the world calm, kind and sweet. Can we share? Yes we can. Can we care? Yes we can. Can we choose peace every day? Yes we can. Yes we can. Peace in the morning, peace at night. Peace when we play, peace when we fight. Feelings inside. Peace at school and peace at home. Peace wherever we may roam. Walk, walk for peace. Walk.